Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts and backups. This saves time if something goes wrong. Make a short list of every service using your current authenticator. Once done, find each service's recovery or backup codes and save them to a secure place you can access from the new phone. Make sure the new phone already has the Authenticator app installed so you can immediately add accounts. This avoids delays during transfer and prevents lockouts when you remove the old device. Next, transfer or reconfigure accounts one at a time so you don't lose access. If the Authenticator app offers export from the old device, use it and import on the new phone. That is fastest. Otherwise, log into each service's security settings, choose to set up two-factor authentication, and scan the QR code with the new phone or copy the setup key. Make sure the generated 6-digit codes on the new phone match when tested. This confirms time sync and correct setup. Finalize by confirming every account works on the new phone before erasing the old device. You should sign out of sessions, then remove the old authenticator entry from each service. If a code fails, make sure your phone's time is synced automatically. Incorrect time is the most common issue. If you still cannot sign in, use the recovery codes you saved earlier to regain access, then reconfigure MFA. Keep one working backup method to prevent future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.